sanibonani ngiyanibingelela bafethu ninjani igama uMduduzi Ncube and guys welcome to the show brought to you by Mungana Lonene on Unplugged Sessions guys. So today I've decided to chill with you lapho la uphethe khona juice or drink, just chill because ngizonixelela umculo omnandi from your favorite songs on my album Miskingi, Istimela, Putsunum and the one and only Langalingi, which is my recent single. So guys, without any further ado, ngizo explain nje every song ubhalwa kwayo, structure and everything, so just hang in there.
Ushunwe ngabi shwele
kukhala isiginci sakhe enhlizweni yami uma sumamatheka ngivele ngizule ndibona ubuhle bakho ikhanda zule kodwa kuvele kuthi hu uma ngicabanga ngithanda intombi enhle kangaka sendicabangile bona ngiyosebenza wangenza umuntu ungibona mnandi yathanda wangenza umuntu ungibona mnandi yathanda khawutshela umama nobaba inkomo zikhona singishoda ngawe sithandwa sami ngibeka indoda akekho omunye onothando lunjena kuwe wedwa sithandwa sami enhlizweni yami anginamali futhi anginakari kodwa uthando lwami luhlala luhlezi kuwe ingakho ngithi khale sakhe isiginci enhlizweni yami nengqondo yami ihlala icinga ngawe kukhala isiginci sakhe enhlizweni yami uma sumamatheka ngivele ngizule ndibona ubuhle bakho ikhanda zule kodwa kuvele kuthi hu uma ngicabanga ngithanda intombi enhle kangaka sendicabangile bona ngiyosebenza wangenza umuntu ungibona mnandi yathanda wangenza umuntu ungibona mnandi yathanda
Shunwe ngawo ngekela gek nengena nkomo eyidla inyama sesala abantu kodwa seqoma inyamazana ayina basket khuzwe makwethe siphalaphala wawundoni amanzi anginamagama bathi mthana umuntu yazi mangibheka ukuthi hu inhliziyo igcwala uthanda ivele ishaye yithi gu katshela abantu kayithi fu asikhohle wona ndaba bekhuluma kuthi shu ngilosi yami awuthemba lami bambo lwami mntana omuntu sibona nosami ulavi wami sweetie wami inhliziyo yami udali wami ngakubiza ngawo wonke uthanda limkanyezi yami yimizwilili inhliziyo yami ikhala isiginci sizwa wena wedwa ncinci asiyibhimbi my heart beat uyazi wena kuthanda isingisi ushunwe nkabi rap ozamduduza khala isiginci
sakhe enhlizweni yami uma sumamatheka ngivele ngizule ndibona ubuhle bakho ikhanda zule kodwa kuvele kuthi hu uma ngicabanga ngithanda intombi enhle kangaka sendicabangile bona ngiyosebenza wangenza umuntu ungibona mnandi yathanda wangenza umuntu ungibona mnandi yathanda uyakhumbula ngiqala ukukubona inhliziyo yagcwala injabulo yathi nguye lo umaqondana wami ngijabule yajabule inhliziyo yami ihlala ikhumbule thandwa sami kuthembala khala isiginci sakhe enhlizweni yami uma sumamatheka ngivele ngizule ndibona ubuhle bakho ikhanda zule kodwa kuvele kuthi hu uma ngicabanga ngithanda intombi enhle kangaka sendicabangile bona ngiyosebenza wangenza umuntu ungibona mnandi yathanda wangenza umuntu ungibona mnandi yathanda wamuhle umntana kuvele uthi hu undibona mna ndiyathanda.
Isigingci featuring Big Zulu. That song. Anyhow, let me get into the point. Ngizoqala ngichaze creation of the song or creativity of the song, and also ngijumpele to inspiration behind it. Creation. I'm a person. Firstly, I'm a person who is inspired by abanye abaculi abanjengo Java and also house music. And now there was this song as Java 80 Leo Ngoma kept on ringing on my head, and also kuvele uthi who, that whole thing. Umuntu othanda ukumixa different genres, mix izinto nje to come up with a unique style, and also ngumuntu othando kakhulu, so mixing uthando and also other different genres kwahlangana kugcina sekuphuma ingoma isigingci engayithanda kakhulu. But most of my music is inspired by osesibambe ngilalela ekhaya. But you know what, this song is nice, and nami ngitholele lo theme ukuthi it is nice actually, because when I write a song I put my heart into it. But basically it turned out ukuthi ingoma izogcine yenza umsebenzi empilweni yami, because finding a person ozomthanda leso sigingci sigcine sikhala, now ugcine ubone ukuthi yathini le ngoma le, it doesn't affect abantu bodwa ngaphandle, but it affects even nawe ngaphakathi enhlizweni. So that is the story behind isigingci. Engikushiyayo, the studio part, the creation in the studio, it was lovely. Ngisebenze nomuntu very very creative, which is uBig Zulu. He is very very creative ngalendlela ukuthi yazi ukuthini wayichaza yonke ingoma isigingci nje sonke wasichaza sonke in just i-rap yakhe leya. So I'm actually honored and humbled ukusebenza naye kakhulu, and also LA Beats wabayi-producer ya isigingci, so I'm actually thankful for that.
Oh yeah, izotshela bazondi bavumelisimo mina ndikhethe wena. Funa zitori uthando liyaphila awuseduze kwami. Dali wami ngiyakutshela lolo thando lwamambela, onoma nini ngakufela angikuthanda kwamambela. Imizaya inhliziyo yami ifuna wena, nathi nothando lwami hlala lungusa ngawe. Funa wena, mina ngeke ngikwazi ukuthanda umuntu. Funa wena, darling, funa wena kuphela akekho umuntu. Funa wena, thandwa sami uthununu, wena ulami wami uthununu. Thandwa sami uthununu, wena ulami wami uthununu. Konke ngidingayo kuwe kuphelele, thando enginalo hlula zonke ilwandle.
The song Putununu featuring the Kwabe twins. You know, it's been an amazing experience. If you'd ask me, but again, I've always wanted to work with Amaqobe Twins. I've always, actually, since from Sase Afro and before Given Kabe Records, I've always wanted to work with them. And Ilafi Tuba. But before Lifi Tuba, we had some complications. We tried so many artists, but Ngoba, Amaqobe Twins ayesengqondweni. I then said team. Amaqobe Twins. By the time you record ingoma, yarekhodwa balifaka ivesi mabelifaka ivesi lamnandi kakhulu, but the inspiration of the song ithathele kulo music lo wangaphakathi Nigerian feel. Njengoba ngihlezi ngisho ngumuntu othando angigwegwi othandweni nakancane mawuthi mangelona uthando lwabantu uthando likaThixo. So I was inspired by that upbeat tempo that even Umlindo inspired me actually ngale ngoma yakhe. I think amacala I love that, and ngayihlanganisa yonke lento because ngike ngasho ngathi I'm a person ohlanganisa yonke into ukuze kuphume into eyodwa, one unique thing, and I love being creative. So sayihlanganisa ingoma yahlangana. Big Zulu wangizwisa wathi yazi ukuthini, bayishayile nami ngavuma, ingoma yaphuma yathinta abantu kakhulu impela nje, in a good way and a good impact. Sayiperforma, we did itour yayo, yenza kahle ingoma kakhulu. I kept it to myself because le ngoma ngiyakhumbula ngizama ukuyirecord Afro but kwangaphumelela. So ngiyasho ngithi uThixo uJesu usebenza esimangalisweni because I guess the right time uyena osaziyo. So yeah, that's it. Sputununu is a good song. Siyabonga.
Malokazi sithandwa sami, ngizakubhalela incwadi, funa ubuye ekhaya, umalo akwazi. Oh, sithandwa sami, malokazi sithandwa sami, ngizakubhalela incwadi, funa ubuye ekhaya, umalo akwazi. Oh, sithandwa sami, sekuphele nomkhondo kanye nethemba. Sabuya saba, hawuko ekhaya, iwe kwazi. Oh, sithandwa sami, alokazi, sithandwa sami, ngizakubhalela incwadi, funa ubuye ekhaya, umalo akwazi. Oh, sithandwa sami.
Oh Malokazi, you know kuba ngathi ngingasho a poem ngale ngoma because it's very close to my heart nayo. I wrote it on 2018 mangaphosisi before ngitholakale Afro and stuff. Angeke ngisachaza ukuthi mhlawumbe ubani uMalokazi kwakwenze njani, but remembering I was not in a good state. I was broken, so I think inhliziyo yami ekhuluma namanxeba ephepheni, ekhuluma ngamanxeba ephepheni. So I wrote the song, I kept it until it was a day yokuthi yazuthini ingoma iphume, and I'm sure umuntu owayizwa washo ukuthi yazuthini umuntu uqonde mina ngale ngoma, but ingoma I just wrote it, it's yakhetha ukuhamba ngaleyo direction. But inspiration yayo yaba ukuthi ngisemncane ngikhule ngomculo like real music, real harmony, umculo ongaphaphile futhi ongaphakeme, ongadingi imali, lo mculo chilled. I used to listen kubacula abaningi nje even in Sahara kanje. Kunale ngoma lethi I love that song, and it became an inspiration of Malokazi and everything. Actually, I think I mixed the gospel and I mixed Afro pop, and then it came to be Malokazi Loyo and namhlanje. When I came to Afro, I then met Berita. We did the song, we composed the verse like, and it was lovely. In 3 days, it was big. Abantu bayithanda and they related because eqinisweni ayiqondananga nami kuphela, but it touched many people's hearts. So I'm glad that it did, and many people are able to heal Malokazi. So yeah, but the truth remains, Malokazi. My daughter.
Sami soshinja kuka phansi ngedolo thembe wononkulelo ozongipha ma Jesu hlezona belo yama ebelina apho mkhono ngipha ma uzongcinelo mame khai uhlale hleli ekholwa ukuthi simo soshinja.
Oh, Langalinye. This song actually explains itself. If uzoba umuntu understand isiZulu nomuntu owazi la isuka khona ukuthi kube nzima kanjani okangakanani. Le ngoma le ngilule kakhulu ukuthi iphume ngoba ibingoma ethinta inhliziyo yami kakhulu, echaza nangemuva lami na ukuthi umama lapha ekhona ekhaya akalinde ngizobuya, akalinde ngizolungisa, akalinde kuzolunga. So ibe umkhuleko wami kahle. So creation yayo, I remember back in the days bekune COVID in lockdown, so izinto zazingenzeki kahle, but I kept on writing songs. I came across this idea of ubhala le ngoma le. It was more of a church song. But yangi-inspire ngale ndlela yokuthi akuthini angiqhubeke ngibhale, but nakhona ngiyifihla ngibe eceleni because zazikhona ezinye ingoma which engangizama ukuyibhala, but kuthe kufika isikhathi sokuthi akuthini ayenziwe, angipholisanga amaseko. I went to studio noXola no-TN Keys sayenza ingoma. I then decided to say akuthini on the creation part, let me get someone osazi story sakhe, someone who knows their stories actually. And then from there I contacted Uzago and also Zamotofi because basically I trusted them with the song. I couldn't do the song with Big Zulu because I knew that but Well then, I decided to tattoo Zamutofi and Uzagwe due to some reasons, and they did an amazing job. But benzisebenza oncomeka kakhulu just as I expected, and nami ingoma ngayithanda kakhulu, and also abantu, and even before ngi-release ingoma it had great impact kubantu. Ngiposta ku Facebook every time I post a video, so yeah, it's a big, great and also inspirational song. Thank you.
Kolunga konke kyobe ngathi akukaze kwaphetha lutho ndizwe kahle moya